Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I am taking the class of Shastri second. Today we learn some few paragraphs from Act First, Scene Third of the play The Merchant of Venice for explanation. Today's first paragraph is the devil can cite a scripture for his purpose, and evil soul producing holy witness is like a villain with a smiling cheek, a goody apple rotten at the heart, a what a goodly outside falsehood hath. These lines have been taken from the play The Merchant of Venice. These are written by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. He was certainly one of the most successful writers of his time. These lines are spoken by Antonio in Act First, Scene Third of The Merchant of Venice. This speech shows Antonio's total disdain for Shylock, the Jewish moneylender. The next paragraph. In these above lines, we know that Bassanio needs money to become a suitor to Portia. So, of course, he asks his friend Antonio, who often lends money to people without interest. Unfortunately, Antonio's money is tied up at the moment, so he sends Bassanio to borrow it elsewhere, saying he will guarantee the loan. While negotiating with Shylock for Bassanio's loan, Antonio warns Bassanio that Shylock can be manipulative. Antonio describes Shylock as a villain who lies for his own purposes. While Antonio speaks from his personal opinion, we become aware that many others feel this way about Shylock. Unfortunately, Bassanio makes an agreement with Shylock, Antonio's hated enemy and a man Antonio has insulted publicly many times before, mostly because Shylock is Jew and Antonio is a Christian, and the hatred between the two religions runs deep. Before Shylock will agree to the deal, he insists on speaking to Antonio as well. Shylock has just used a scripture to accuse Antonio of taking his interest for the money he lends in devious ways. Antonio is accusing Shylock of being the devil in disguise, so to speak. In the specific line we mention, Antonio describes Shylock as a man who looks good on the outside but who is evil on the inside. The last line of the speech summarizes that contention. Shylock appears to be a good and pious man but is really a lying villain. In short, we conclude that we should be cooperative towards needy. Now come on the second paragraph. To spade on the again to spurn thee to, if you wilt lend money, lend it not as to thy friend, for when did friendship take a breath for barren metal of his friend, but lend it rather to thine enemy, who, if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. These lines have been taken from the play The Merchant of Venice. These are written by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. He was certainly one of the most successful writers of his time. These lines are spoken by Antonio in Act First, Scene Third, as Bassanio in engaged in conversation with Shylock, a Jew who makes his living as a moneylender. Bassanio has asked him for a loan of 3,000 ducats, a very large sum at the time, for a period of 3 months. He further tells Shylock that Antonio is to be bound, meaning that Antonio will be responsible for repaying the loan. In the above lines, Shylock knows Antonio's reputation well and agrees to consider the contract. He asks Bassanio if he may speak that Antonio first, and Bassanio invites Shylock to dinner. Shylock responds that he will never eat with a Christian. Antonio arrives at that moment and Bassanio takes him aside. Shylock addresses the audience and informs them that he despises Antonio. He bears an old grudge against Antonio. He is not explained, but Shylock is further upset that Antonio lends out money without charging interest, thereby lowering the amount he is able to charge for lending out his own money. Shylock turns to Antonio and tells him why interest is allowed in the Hebrew faith by quoting a biblical passage in which Jacob receives all the stripped lambs from his father in law. Antonio asks him if the passage was inserted into the Bible of defend interest charge. Antonio is upset that Shylock is considering charging him interest on the loan and asks Shylock to loan the money without any interest. Shylock tells that he would be friends with him and have his love. He offers to seal the bond in a merry sport without charging interest, but as collateral for the loan demands a pound of Antonio's flesh. Antonio thinks Shylock is only joking about the pound of flesh and is happy to seal the contract. He remarks that the Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. In short, we conclude that these lines teaches us that we should be conscious and aware in our life